rain has kind of petered off.
It's taking a little bit of a break, but
Okay.
we're going to see more showers already approaching by about this time tomorrow. So we're not going to break out of this pattern entirely for another 4 or 5 days.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, which
Okay.
takes us right on through the weekend. Let's take a look at how much rain has fallen so far as we see a little bit of blue sky on the horizon. That is nice to see. But sort of the storm that is exiting at the moment, it has dropped almost 3 inches of rain in the Santa Cruz Mountains, almost 1.5 inches of rain for Half Moon Bay, and over 1 inch of rain in total for downtown San Francisco, about 3/4 of an inch for Dublin, less than 1/2 inch for Santa Rosa, and less than 1/4 inch for San Jose so far. But one of the heftier showers on First Alert Doppler is actually right over San Jose at the moment. A few showers going to move back in already tomorrow afternoon. So our first storm system is exiting off to the east, but another is dropping in from the north to take its place, and there's going to be another one following that up to begin next week. Then we break out of this unsettled weather pattern, but just be flexible with any outdoor plans, with off and on showers in the forecast into early Saturday. Here's First Alert Doppler. Showed you the up-close view a little earlier. I want to show you just the loop here to give a sense of where things are going. Drifting to the north, there's that shower that's a little bit heavier over San Jose. All this activity is going to quiet down as the sun goes down this evening. We're still going to see plenty of cloud cover for the rest of tonight and a fairly gray start to the day on Friday, but other than a few patches of drizzle, we should be dry through about lunchtime on Friday. But then the next chance of showers moves into the North Bay already Friday afternoon. North of the Golden Gate, you're going to see scattered showers into the evening, while the rest of the Bay Area, we wait until late evening and overnight for that better chance of showers to roll through. This is going to be similar to what we've seen all week, with some locally heavy downpours, but nothing that lasts long enough or falls heavily enough to cause any even borderline flooding threat. And then another break in the action taking hold as we head towards about midday on Saturday. But again, be flexible with any outdoor plans all day on Saturday. I wouldn't cancel anything, but it's just going to be an unsettled pattern. Total rain on top of what we've already received ranges from anywhere from a few hundredths of an inch to potentially a 1/2 inch of rain on the high side of things. This is not going to be a huge rainmaker for us, but it is unusual to see these back-to-back-to-back rain chances in the month of May, but it's exactly what's in store as we head into early next week. Right now, we're looking out to the east from Salesforce Tower and seeing those low clouds on the horizon, and temperatures are still cool. Santa Rosa is the warm spot at 61. Everybody else is in the 50s, and temperatures tonight are going to drop back down into the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. Another cool start to Friday morning, and not much of a warm up in store for us by Friday afternoon. Even cooler for Santa Rosa tomorrow, because you're going to see the chances of rain moving in a little earlier. That keeps you cooler than other inland parts of the Bay Area. Mostly mid-60s inland, with upper 50s and low 60s around the Bay, and only mid-50s along the coast. If you want to look ahead to a drier weather pattern, you got to look just beyond the 7-day forecast. We start to dry it out by the middle of next week, but a good chance of above normal temperatures by the second weekend in May and into the following week, but that's still a long way down the line. There are rain chances for the next couple of days, with the 3-day stretch of dry weather. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will likely last even longer than that, but that's just the beginning of that dry and gradually warmer stretch of weather. Temperatures will return to the upper 60s and low 70s inland by Wednesday, with mostly low to mid 70s inland Thursday, and even up to around 60 degrees along the coast by next Thursday. But that's a week from today. We've got a little ways to go between now and then.